Freight bill auditing is an essential process in the logistics industry, but it's also a time-consuming and complex task. The traditional manual method of auditing freight bills is inefficient and can lead to significant financial losses for companies. Manual freight bill auditing can be a tedious and overwhelming task requiring significant time and effort. Freight bills can be complex, with various charges and fees that must be verified. The manual process can lead to errors and incorrect billing. That's where automation comes in. 3SC's Freight Bill Audit uses advanced technology to streamline the different tasks of the auditing process, including extraction of contract data, freight estimation, auto match, and payment, eliminating the need for manual intervention. 3SC FBA integrates the entire transporter's network with your system, enabling them to directly upload their freight bills and verify their accuracy with a single click. The system automatically identifies discrepancies and overcharges, flagging them for further investigation. This means faster resolution of billing errors and faster recovery of funds for your company. Streamline your freight bill auditing process with 3SC Freight Bill Audit and improve your bottom line.